Alright, hello guys, this is update number 4. I know I said Jan is probably going to be in this video, but I don't really think he is, because it's 10 p.m. here, and God knows what time it is there. So, anyway, I finally got the server responding back, disorienting or descrambling the characters and then putting them back together and then sending them back to here, and then this side descrambling them in a different way and then putting them back together into 3 or 4 lists and then spawning a dude in, and oh, it was insane. But the server, I got this fixed like 3 days ago, so I'll have to remember where the fuck it's at. Right, here is this is where we send it back, but that's really simple because I already had it unscrambled. Right here was a pain because it was just like it either froze or didn't work, and so I had to keep doing all that shit. I'm gonna just comment this debug out because it'll drive you guys insane. But yeah, I had to. It was messy. That's also another debug. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and save this and turn on the beautiful server. And of course, this thing always pops up when it's done loading. I hate that shit. Yeah, shut up. Alright, there we go. We got that going. Alright, so now on the client side, we got these 3 lists. We got the player's pose, we got the transform, which is a fancy variable with the position and rotation and scale in it. And so basically, if I have the transform, it's more efficient than just setting its vector 3 every time, which yeah. And down here is where we descramble the messages. So right here we convert the ASCCI data shit, and we use this amazing command .split to get rid of what we're trying to separate. Now normally it would be really easy, but I have multiple things and working for clients at the same time and shit. It just turned into a couple week project here. But we got, I got the name and pose. I split that here, and then that has the name and the position. But oh yeah, I go through a loop through the text that I split up here. I split the individual players, and when I figured that out, it was much easier from then on. I then just split the name and the pose, and then I split the pose from the name, and then I just separated that down here, and then converted the string to a float to get the player moving around. And then I came up with an equation to make sure that when the player is not me, that it spawns in and then it starts moving it around. And then I had it, if it is me, not me, and it's not spawned in and I don't know who the hell his name is, it adds his name to the list and it spawns his character in and starts moving him around according to his position. So just in case something changed, I'm going to save that. Alright, so here in the Unity, we got the nice ugly capsule again. I'm going to do a quick build and run so that doesn't take too long, and then we'll connect right up and I'll show you the server in action, per se. Alrighty, so fire this up, fire that up. Name it something else. Well, we'll pretend Jan is here. This is Jan. and this is me. Alright, so you just saw the other player clone just spawned in, and it would not take me very long to put a name on him. So that's this client here. So if I go ahead and move him, or try to move him from his place, he's just going to go right back. If I go ahead and start moving him forward, whoa, god damn it. I think this is just one of Visual Studio's random glitches. So I'm going to give the server a restart and put these back in. For whatever reason, when I changed that broke it. So, yeah. Yeah, you don't like it when I disconnect from the server, do you? Alright, hopefully this doesn't fuck up this time, you guys. Don't you hate it when programs just start acting stupid? Get Jan back again. It's probably because Jan was in here, he jinxing it. See, that's what the debug I wanted to get rid of for you guys. You know, I bet I'm sure the glitch had something to do with something. But there you go. I think it was because I clicked back and forth or something weird and it didn't like it. I don't really know. But here's me. I'm moving left, right, you see. And yeah, that works now. So that's cool. I could have as many players in here as I want. I have it updating their position every 0.2 seconds. If you were when I do put up the servers, I think I'm going to have an option of the player position update speed, and it will if you are doing like something that's first person, you could go to like 0.1 seconds, or if you're crazy, go to 0.5 seconds, and see if your server can somehow handle that. And then it'll be really dead on where the players are at. I'm sure you'll need a hell of a computer to run that server, and everybody else who's on the server is going to need a lot of help running that. But yeah, so you can see this works. When I disconnect, yeah, I think it stays there. But in next update, that will disappear, and I will program my own smooth look. You know, most people, they just go with some random script on the internet. I figured since I've never actually made a look around script, I've made a movement script, but not a looking around script, I might as well try to do it this time and see how well it turns out. So next update might have Jan, we'll see. But until then, you guys have fun. We'll see what happens. So.